Welcome to Powerlifter Up, a weight training game to help you increase your ability to bend up. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. Your goal in Powerlifter Up is to practice slow, controlled movement bending up to make the powerlifter on screen lift the weight for points. In this game you will only be practicing moving up, at no point should you push down. Press Next. You control the powerlifter's movement for lifting the weight by bending down and up like you see in this picture here. Press Next. First, you will see the Please Wait While I Move You phase. This is where we get you into your starting position to do therapy. From here you'll just need to relax until the next instruction. Press Next. Next you'll see the green arrows telling you to bend up as far as you can. As you do, the powerlifter will lift the bar up over their head. Don't worry if you are not able to do it on your own. Just continue to give it your best effort and your Motus will help you get there as needed. It's by practicing these movements that you will be able to improve them, even if you have no movement. Press Next. Try your best to do slow and controlled strong movements. Powerlifter Up is not a race. The slower and more controlled your movements, the better they are for your recovery. You'll get points for each successful repetition.